This hair mask works with a deep conditioner and protein treatment due to its natural ingredients. The papaya contains enzymes and vitamins which help with hair growth, fixing damaged hair, and breakage. The banana helps with nourishment and it has many vitamins and minerals that help with scalp health and hair growth. The Greek yogurt helps with strengthening the hair due to its minerals, vitamins, and probiotics. The olive oil helps with moisturizing the hair due to its fatty acids and protects the hair from damage. So we have our chopping board, our knife, and our spoon, and we're gonna first start with the papaya. But before that, I just wanna say please be careful with using a knife so you don't cut yourself. And even with a blender, make sure you cover it when you're blending and don't touch the blades at all. The papaya is kind of on the overripe side, so it might be a little bit mushy. Yeah. So we're just going to remove the inside. Next, we're going to peel this banana and cut it into tiny pieces. Okay, now the banana is in the blender. We're going to take about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We'll just add a little bit more. I strained the mixture just to remove any particles that were left over from the banana or the papaya, and I double strained it twice just in case. And be careful when you're mixing it with a spoon so you don't spill like me. After straining, I added about 2.5 teaspoons of olive oil and then I blended it and put it into a container. So for this hair mask, it is a deep conditioner and a protein treatment. You can use it after washing your hair as a hair mask, but you should only keep it for maximum an hour or it will be too much for your hair.